Because a lot of you have a very limited time frame to visit Switzerland, I'm sure a lot of you are thinking about eating fast food in Switzerland as well. We are going to open up our little fast food restaurant. I'm in Lucerne and the weather is a bit foggy, as it can happen in Switzerland in January. As you can see, up there is Mount Pilatus. We have gotten a special burger in McDonald's, and the burger is called what is it called?
Macrösti.
Raclette rösti. Raclette rösti. So it's got raclette cheese in it, and it has got rösti in it. Raclette cheese, you know, is the melted cheese you put on top of potatoes or bread and eat it with spices and pickles. And rösti is basically grated potatoes. It's basically like hash browns. So let's open up. We have as well got normal fries, and as everywhere in the world, they don't fill it up properly. So we have Raclette, and let's no rösti inside, unfortunately. But there, yeah, you see here, Switzerland is a normal country, not everything is perfect. So I have tried it, and I can say I approve of the cheese flavor this burger has. So if you come to Switzerland one day, if you go to McDonald's, I recommend the Swiss burger for you. This is totally my subjective view, and this whole story cost you 15 Swiss francs. And you might think now, well, 15 Swiss francs, this is a lot of money for fast food. And it is. The pro definitely is the ingredients, or very often the fast food chains very often look that they take Swiss ingredients or locally sourced ingredients, which makes it a bit more expensive, but it also makes it a bit more delicious, so you don't get served junk here, like maybe it's got a reputation in other countries. So from that sense, you should try it. Also, what I recommend for you is you try the Coke in Switzerland, because it tastes completely different than probably in your country. At least that was my experience. So 15 francs, and well, to tell you about fast food in Switzerland, there isn't many fast food joints in Switzerland. We mainly only have Burger King and we have McDonald's, which are a bit more popular. There is Subway as well, but there's only a few restaurants. It costs about 15-16 francs as well. And to be fair, 15 francs for a sandwich is, even for Swiss standards, is a bit much. As well, there are a few Domino's pizza. The Swiss prefer pizza from a regular pizzeria more than from Domino's. That's why this is also not very popular in Switzerland. So if you think now that there is other options to eat at sort of these price levels, then we've got another video for you prepared as well, where you can find out practically cheap and authentic ways how Swiss people eat. Have fun with it and try some fast food, maybe try a Swiss burger, but most of all, enjoy the quality we have here sometimes, and enjoy Switzerland as it is. Take care, bis bald, tschüss.